Hello there, my name is Jacob Collins, and today we'll be discussing drone delivery, a chance to revolutionize the industry. So first we'll be discussing how drone delivery works, and we'll be discussing two methods used by two of the biggest delivery companies in the world. First we'll be discussing Amazon. In Amazon's method, their warehouse will serve as a station for the drones. The drones have a delivery range of 10 miles in order so the packages can be delivered within 30 minutes or less. The drones have a maximum payload of 5 pounds, meaning only packages small in size will be delivered. The way to use delivery drones to deliver packages to apartments has not been thought of yet, but if the consumer lives in the house, the drone will drop off the package at the consumer's front door. Amazon will use different drones for different regions due to the various terrains of the area. Next, we'll be discussing UPS's method of using delivery drones. UPS's vans will serve as mobile hubs for the drones. The drone will be connected to a road-bound vehicle navigation system to deliver packages to buyers in more rural areas, while a human worker still deliver packages on foot. Now, this varies greatly from Amazon's, and due to the fact that UPS's method involves a human factor and also involves the mechanical factor, which is the drone. Next, we'll be discussing the purpose of drone technology, or delivery drones. Delivery drones can serve a variety of purposes. Delivery drones can help address the demands for expedient service by modern-day consumers. Implementing drone delivery can also address the growing demand from consumers for companies they conduct business with to be more environmentally friendly. Delivery drones can also help the express delivery service industry become more compatible with the modern times. And now we're discussing the drivers for adopting delivery drones. One of the biggest drivers is the buyers of today want their goods delivered to them as fast as possible. 99% of consumers surveyed in the United States said that they felt fast delivery is the most crucial factor for them when they're ordering a product online. A third of consumers say they experience feelings of frustration when companies does not offer same-day delivery. The next driver is there has been a recent increase in the demand for companies to become more friendly towards the environment. 69% of consumers in North America say that companies should apply programs that better the condition of the environment. The next thing we're discussing are the benefits of drone delivery. The first major benefit is drones can deliver the product in a fast manner in almost any location. Also, another good thing is the productivity will increase due to consumers obtaining their goods quicker, improving the company's turnover rate. Delivery drones are more safer alternative than traditional methods, and also GPS technology enables delivery drones to be more efficient. And also shareholders will receive additional benefits due to the corporation of delivery drones. Now we're discussing the cost and the cost factors of drone delivery. The prices of drones varies greatly from $1,499 to $12,000, and it's impacted by the size of the drone and also its intended use. The cost, also another big cost, is the cost of liability insurance. Insurance covering the liability of drone can range from $500 to $750 a month, being determined by the experience and background of the pilot and the number of drones being insured. Next, we'll be discussing the cost factors. Bodily harm and damage to property can increase the cost. Also, the number of workers having to be trained in piloting drones will influence the cost. The maintenance and repair required for the drones will also be a huge cost factor. And lastly, regulations by the FAA can serve as a huge cost factor. Next, we'll be discussing the risk of drone technology. The drone could be stolen. Removing the process from a drone does not require much expertise. That means anybody could simply do it if they see the drone out and can be in reach of it. The next thing is a drone can cause property damage due to malfunctioning software or another error. Drones are not a perfect technology. They malfunction and they can easily hit a consumer's car, or go into a buyer's house, causing damage, which would be a huge risk. Also, delivery drones have a greater chance of failure. Since delivery drones are still a very rarely recent technology and has been widely implemented. There will be lots of errors. There will be lots of mistakes that will be made. And sadly, the technology itself, like the GPS system got it, can fail. So there will, so even though delivery drones do have a great potential, since it hasn't still not been widely implemented and all the kinks haven't worked out yet, it will have a higher risk of failure than other traditional methods.